Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cupcake in Blender. Let's begin by opening Blender and deleting the default cube. Next, add a UV sphere from the Add menu, which will be our cupcake's foundation. Scale this sphere down to about 1 unit in diameter, ensuring it's centered on the grid. This initial step sets the stage for our delicious digital creation. Now let's craft the cupcake wrapper. Select the bottom faces of your sphere and extrude them downwards to form the wrapper's base. Introduce about 8 to 10 loop cuts along the wrapper's sides to define the characteristic ridges. Finally, apply a subdivision surface modifier, typically at level 2, to give your wrapper a beautifully smooth and realistic appearance. Next, we'll create the delightful frosting. Add another UV sphere, positioning it atop your cupcake base. Utilize proportional editing with a smooth fall-off to sculpt the frosting into an appealing, swirled shape. Experiment with different brush sizes to achieve a natural look. Then, add a solidify modifier, setting its thickness to about 0.05 units for a more substantial frosting. For the finishing touches, let's add materials and lighting. Assign unique materials to the cake, wrapper, and frosting, choosing appropriate colors and textures. Implement a classic 3-point lighting setup, consisting of a key light, fill light, and rim light, to highlight your cupcake's details. Finally, render your masterpiece in either Cycles or Eevee to capture its delicious digital essence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.